Hello friends, now I am going to explain how to write journal entries for issue of shares in a company. A company can issue shares at premium, at par and at discount. Usually a company appoints a bank for collecting money from investors on behalf of the company. So the investors who are interested to invest in the company will deposit the amount on shares in the bank appointed by the company. Now let us see the journal entries for issue of shares. The entries for issue of shares always begins with the receipt of application monies. So it always begins with the entry for receipt of share application money. Receipt of share application money. So as I told that the amount will be collected by the bank, so bank has to be debited. Because bank is the personal account, we have to debit the bank and we have to credit share application money. So according to personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So we are debiting the bank and we are receiving on application money, so we are crediting the share application money. And after the receipt entry, we have to write down entry for transfer of share application money. For entry for transfer of share application money. So we have to transfer share application money to the share capital account. So we have to transfer share application money on the allotted shares to the share capital account. Further, the entry will be share application account, share application account data to share capital account. So we have to debit the item which we are transferring. So here we are transferring share application money to share capital account. So we are debiting share application money, we are crediting share capital account. After debiting and after the transfer of share application money, the next entry for is for allotment money due. For allotment money due. So here the entry will be share allotment account data to share capital account. And after allotment due entry, we have to write down entry for receipt of allotment money. Receipt of allotment money. So whatever the installment we are receiving, we have to debit the bank, because every installment money will be deposited by the investors in the bank. So as a personal account rule, we have to debit the receiver. So bank should be debited for every receipt of installment money. For every installment money, we have to debit the bank. So now the entry is bank account data to share allotment account, bank account data to share allotment account. And after receipt of allotment money, we have to write down entry for calls money due. Calls money due. So whatever the installment is due, that should be debited. That is, here in this case calls money is due, so we have to debit shares call account, because the call installment is due, so we have to debit share call account and we have to credit share capital account. We have to credit share capital account. After the due entry, we have to write down entry for receipt of calls money. So as I told you that for every receipt we have to debit bank account. For every receipt we have to debit bank account, because bank has taken the responsibility to collect the money on every installment. So we have to debit bank account and we have to debit the corresponding installment account. So here if we observe these entries, always the journal entries begins with receipt of application money. For that we have to write down entry as bank account data to share application account, and after share application money receipt entry we have to write down entry for transfer of share application money. But after this application money we have to write down allotment money. If we observe, the entries will be somewhat similar. So here in case of application money, first we write receipt entry and after that we write transfer entry. But in case of other installment, first we write due entry and after that we write down receipt of that in particular installment money. And every problems for accounting of share capital will be based on these entries only, but there will be some changes based on the situation of the problem. So those will be explained in the next videos. Thank you.